Hello everybody, how are you today? Nice? Today we are gonna have so much fun. We are gonna do an experiment. Are you ready? So, you will need 2 bowls with water in it. Okay? We will need a sheet of paper towel. Okay, paper towel and marker. So let's start. First, you're gonna fold the paper in half. Okay. Then you pick up 2 fingers and 2 fingers. Those are the part we are gonna color with the colors from the rainbow. Okay? So I'm gonna color mine, okay? Hold on. Okay, now I colored both sides. See? Now pay attention. I am gonna put one part touch deep in the water in one side and the other side too. Now, let's just watch our rainbow growing. Wow! Can you see that my rainbow is growing this side and also in this side? It is so beautiful. Now, it is your turn. I want to see your beautiful rainbow. Okay? Bye-bye. Have fun.